there, I'm Phil Ward with Harry L Stearns Inc. We're the Acuity Brands rep for Oregon and Southwest Washington. I personally take care of Southern and Central Oregon. And today I'm going to talk about Acuity Brands Relight Products, aka retrofit kits. First up is my BLTR demo. As you can see, it's a 2x2. The great thing about the BLTRs is they are a one-piece door construction. Basically, you have two bar hangers or end brackets that you screw into your gutted fluorescent troffer can from below the ceiling, leaving your incoming power, neutral, and ground in place. And then you hang the BLTR in one end, wire it up, close the door, and latch it, and you're done. So quick and simple, full for installation. This particular 2x2 is equipped with an Enlight air sensor, the RES7. So that gives me the ability to have 0 to 10 volt dimming without any dimming wiring. Just by basically pairing the retrofit kits after they're installed and powered up to my RPod in the wall. This particular RPod is the RPod B, which is battery powered. There's also an RPod L, which is line voltage. So if you're replacing a switch in the wall, you just put that in there and power the RPod L off of your existing power wire, and then run the black hot straight through. So Enlight air devices need to have constant power on all the time so the sensors can do their thing. They're available in 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4. Lots of lumen packages, different lens options, battery backup, generator transfer device. You name it, there's really pretty much anything you're going to run into a commercial application available in the BLTR retrofit kit. Next up is the LBK. The LBK stands for Light Bar Kit. These come in a 2-foot like I have here, a 3-foot, and a 4-foot. The LBK basically is a universal retrofit that you could put pretty much anywhere. They have magnets on them, so after you've gutted your existing fluorescent fixture, you magnetic these on, and then they also come with self-tapping screws that you would then, once you get this where you want it and lined up, you would then put the screws in. Quick connect, Wago's already on them, and then you just match up from the driver to the bar, red to red, blue to blue. On the incoming side of the driver, it's basically hot and ground. I'll show you here real quick too. These have amazing distribution for what they are. If you can see that high V, you know, this is probably, I mean, it's less than a 90-degree V. So you're probably looking at, 280, maybe close to 300 degrees of distribution out of that little guy. So that's pretty impressive where you want distribution maybe out of a, a funky fluorescent fixture that you come across out there. Lumen packages from 1650 all the way up to 12,000 in the 4-foot 4-bar kit. So lots of horsepower there if you need it. I actually have an application recently where they've got 2x4 troffers sealed on the outside of a paint booth. And with the high power and high lumens of these guys, they can just simply retrofit them into that paint booth troffer without having to buy expensive, class 1 Div 2 replacement fixtures. And a lot more power than what a T-LED would have given them. So that's the LB. Next up is the MRSL strip retrofit kit. The MRSL comes in 4-foot and 8-foot from 1750 lumens all the way up to 10,000 lumens. Designed to go on existing fluorescent strip channels from 4 inches to 5 inches in width. As you can see here, there's an optional standalone occupancy sensor. I'll shine this on the wall, and hopefully you can see that in the video, but it looks like you get about a 240-ish degree distribution, which is really good for a strip retrofit kit, far better than what the original fluorescent fixtures were doing. And it's a simple gut the fluorescent channel, even if they're in continuous rows, and then basically self-tapping screw brackets right onto the existing channel, leaving your existing wiring again in place. So that's the MRSL strip retrofit kit. Next up is the UFit R. They come in 3 versions, strip version, low bay version, and surface mount version. 2 sizes, 4-foot and 8-foot. So basically it just depends on what type of fixture you're running into out there that you want to put a retrofit kit on. Great lens and optics and performance. This one's the low bay version. It's got a little bit different mounting wings as you can see on the ends. This is the strip one. This would be kind of an upgrade from the MRSL I just showed. This particular one's got, again, Enlight air, which is an available option, so you can give your wireless on off and raise lower dimming. 4,000 lumens all the way up to 20,000 lumens in an 8-foot, so lots of options there. Different CCTs, 35, 4,000, and 5,000 Kelvin. So that's the UFit-R.